I can't help but think of this quote every time I see the vibrant leaves gently falling from the trees. Autumn reminds us how beautiful it is to let things go. So in today's video, I wanted to guide you through a nature-inspired meditation to help you release what is no longer serving you. Maybe that's a habit, a relationship, a thought or belief system, a past situation. Whatever it is you don't want to take forward with you into this next season of your life, we are going to let it go today. And all you have to do is listen along while I guide you through this meditation. So go ahead and find a comfortable position, either sitting up or lying down. Close your eyes and begin by taking a deep breath in with me through the nose. Letting it out the mouth. Another deep breath in. Exhaling through the mouth. The deepest inhale you've taken all day. And a long breath out through the mouth. Keep breathing nice and slow, just like this, while you imagine a tree in front of you. Take notice of its size, the colors, the type. Maybe you see a big, strong oak in front of you, or a beautiful, vibrant red maple, a birch with papery white bark. Whatever tree is in front of you right now, I want you to slowly walk up to it, taking in all of its beauty, all of its strength, its resilience, and its magic. This tree is a representation of you, and its leaves are different facets of yourself that you have grown over time. But just like all of the oaks and the maples and the birches in autumn, it's time to let go of what's no longer serving you. It's time to let the dead leaves drop. As you get closer and closer to this tree, you notice that a few of these leaves have words written on them in your own handwriting of things that you no longer want to take with you. They are so close to gently falling off of this tree, and all it would take is a little bit of wind, just a gentle breeze to help them release. So you decide to help by taking a deep breath in through your nose and having a powerful exhale leave your mouth. You see this thing that you wish to release falling to the ground. Another deep breath in. And a sigh of relief, knowing that you released this thing no longer serving you. as you see it on the ground, it begins to fade away. It begins to break down and become nutrients for the tree to continue growing, continue putting out new leaves, continue being resilient and strong and magical. You too just created more energy by releasing this thing that no longer served you. So that way you can move forward and continue to grow. So taking another deep breath in, accepting all of that. And one last deep breath out, letting go of anything else on your mind today. And whenever you are ready, you can open your eyes. I would love to hear down in the comments below what you chose to release with this meditation. And while you are down there, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it so I know to create more like it. And also subscribe so you don't miss future meditations. And if you would benefit from even more support releasing the past so you can grow into your most magical self, check out the links in the description for ways we can work one-on-one together. Lastly, but most importantly, thank you for meditating with me today, and thank yourself for creating this space to just be and do some important inner work. If you'd like to keep hanging out with me here on YouTube, click this video for even more magical autumn vibes.